At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst with Farms.com Risk Management, with this week's Farms.com Hog Report. The USDA released its end of February U.S. Cold Storage Report, which summarizes the end-of-the-month stocks of meat, dairy, poultry, fruits, and vegetables. Total U.S. red meat supplies in freezers at the end of February 28, 2011 were up 4% from last month and up 13% from a year ago. Total frozen pork supplies were up 7% from the previous month and up 12% from last year. Total stocks of pork bellies were down slightly from last month and down 8% from last year. Total pounds of loins were 5% higher than last month and 10% higher than February of 2010. Ribs were up 4% from last month and down 1% versus a year ago, while hams are up 17% from last month and up 39% from the same period last year. Pork bellies were unchanged from last month but down 8% from the year prior. The highest carcass weights in 7 years have contributed to more meat moving into cold storage. We do not believe that this is sustainable into the coming quarters, as carcass weights will go down and demand will remain strong while supplies remain tight. Higher than expected cold storage numbers for beef and pork are also likely due to the amount of export products held in freezers before shipment. Most pork exports are frozen, with the exception of some chilled fresh shipments that are sent to Japan. The bottom line here is that we remain bullish on livestock prices for 2011 despite the macroeconomics event that have driven commodities wild in recent weeks and have created extreme volatility, which is going to stay with us for some time. Lower supplies, better than expected domestic and international demand, and continued high feed prices will send livestock futures to new all-time record highs in the next 3 months. That's all for today. Have a great weekend.